Hey, do you want to speak English with a real family? Listen, watch, and learn English naturally.
It's easy, fun, and real life. Let's start learning English.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Mike. I slept well. Oh, me too.
Today is a sunny day.
Can we play outside?
What do you want for breakfast?
Toast and eggs, please. Milk.
Don't forget fruit. Okay, Mom. Is the toast good?
Very good. Eat slowly, Bark. I'm eating fast.
Careful, don't spill. Oh, what should we do today?
Can we go to the park? No, I want the library.
Let's visit the library first, then the park.
Look at all the books.
Wow, so many books.
Yes.
I want comics.
You can pick one comic.
Sara, what is this? A book about animals. Bark, what is this?
A superhero comic. Can I borrow this book?
Yes, you can.
Bark, you can borrow your comic too.
Yay! Thank you!
We are in the library.
Sorry, Dad.
Okay, quiet.
Let's sit and read. Today was fun.
I like my comic.
Did you learn new words?
Yes, many words.
Let's play on the swings.
I want to swing. I'm going to the slide.
Be careful, everyone. Run.
Run. I am running fast. Jump, Sarah, jump. Hey!
How do you feel, Sara?
I feel happy. I feel excited.
Place a peanut. We need apples and milk and bread.
Can I pick oranges? I want bananas.
How many apples do we need?
3 apples. I want 2 bananas.
Okay, let's buy them. Wash your hands first.
Okay, Mom. I washed mine.
Good job, Bark. Wash your hands first.
Okay, Mom. I washed mine.
Good job, Bark. What is your favorite fruit? Apples.
Bananas.
Very good choices. Let's water the flowers.
I will water this plant. Me too. Plants love water.
Flowers need sun and water. I understand. And love.
Yes, love too.
Let's read a book together.
I want the animal book. I want the comic.
Okay, we can read both.
What is this word?
That is elephant.
And this?
That is lion.
Let's play with toys. I want to play too.
Share the toys, please.
Yes, share and have fun.
Let's make a sandwich.
I put the cheese.
I put the ham.
Very good teamwork. How is the sandwich?
Delicious.
Let's listen to music.
I like this song. Dance, dance.
Very good, Bark. What color is this ball?
Red, blue. Both colors are nice.
Let's take a walk before dinner.
That's a good idea. Sarah, how was school today? It was good. I learned new words.
What words did you learn?
Words about animals and food.
Bark, what do you like to do at school?
I like drawing and playing. That sounds fun. I like reading more. Can you help me in the kitchen? Sure, Mom.
Please wash the vegetables.
I want to help too.
Sit. Bark, put the plates on the table.
Okay, Dad. I finished washing the vegetables.
Great job, everyone.
So, what do you want for dinner?
I would like rice and chicken. I want noodles.
We can have both.
Do you like spicy food?
Not really. I prefer mild food.
I like spicy food sometimes.
I like sweet food.
Please pass the bread.
Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How does the food taste?
It tastes great.
I agree. It's delicious.
I love it.
What should we do now?
Can we watch a movie? Yes, a cartoon.
Okay, let's watch one.
Do you want a funny movie or an adventure movie?
I want an adventure movie. Funny movie.
Let's choose a funny adventure movie.
This character is very brave.
Yes, he helps others.
That's a good lesson.
I like heroes.
How do you feel about the movie?
I feel excited and happy.
I feel relaxed.
I feel funny. I can't find my toy.
Where did you last see it?
In my room.
Let's go and look for it.
Is it under the bed?
No, it's not there. Doorway to the desk.
Check the desk.
Oh, here it is. Thank you for helping me. You're welcome.
We are happy to help.
That's what family does.
Awesome.
It's time to brush your teeth. I'll brush mine now.
D.
Me too.
Don't forget to wash your face.
What are we doing tomorrow?
We might visit Grandma.
Yes, if the weather is good.
I like Grandma.
Let's wake up early tomorrow.
Okay, I will set my alarm. I wake up early every day.
Good job, Bark.
What was the best part of today?
Going for a walk. Watching the movie.
I enjoyed dinner together.
I feel tired, but happy.
That's a good feeling. Yes, it means we had a good day.
Happy. I am sleepy now.
Do you want a short story?
Yes, please. Story time!
Let's listen quietly.
Once upon a time, there was a kind boy.
What did he do?
He helped people every day.
Me. I want to help people too.
That's great, Bark. Helping others is important.
I want to help my friends at school.
You both have kind hearts. It's time to sleep now.
Good night, Mom and Dad.
It's time to sleep now.
Good night, Mom and Dad.
If you enjoyed learning with us, like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Practice with us and watch the next episode. See you soon. Bye-bye.